Is it possible to install Linux on an Xbox 360?
Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into a unique topic that marries the world of open-source operating systems with gaming consoles. We're going to talk about whether it's possible to install Linux on an Xbox 360. The answer might surprise you, so let's get right into it.
Can you install Linux on an Xbox 360?
The Xbox 360, while primarily a gaming console, has a hardware architecture not entirely different from a PC. This similarity has led to the question, can you install a PC-based operating system, like Linux, on it? Well, the answer is, yes, it's technically possible, but it's certainly not straightforward, and there are some serious caveats to consider. We'll delve into these now.
What are the challenges?
Installing Linux on an Xbox 360 isn't as simple as installing it on a standard PC. Firstly, the Xbox 360 has a security system that prevents unauthorized code from running, which includes non-native operating systems like Linux. Overcoming this requires a process called modding, or hacking, the console to bypass the security features, which is a technically complex process. Secondly, even if you manage to bypass the security system, there's no guarantee that Linux will function correctly or have full compatibility with the Xbox's hardware. Many hardware elements, like the graphics card and network interfaces, may not have proper Linux driver support. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, modding your Xbox 360 voids the warranty and is against Microsoft's terms of service. This could lead to your console being banned from Xbox Live.
So, is it worth it?
The question here isn't really about feasibility. Yes, with sufficient knowledge and skill, it is possible to install Linux on an Xbox 360. But the question we should be asking is it worth it? The process is technically complex, could potentially damage your console, and may result in a subpar Linux experience due to hardware incompatibility issues. Furthermore, it violates Microsoft's terms of service, voiding your warranty and risking a ban from Xbox Live. So, unless you have a spare Xbox 360 that you're willing to experiment with, and are prepared for potential pitfalls, it's generally not recommended. And there we have it. Technically, Linux can be installed on an Xbox 360, but the potential risks and challenges typically outweigh the benefits. It's a fascinating concept, and if you're a tech enthusiast with a taste for experimentation, it might be an interesting project. But for most users, it's probably best to stick with using Linux on a PC and leave the Xbox 360 for gaming. Remember, always consider the potential risks before undertaking such projects. Stay safe, and happy tinkering!